Do you know different ways to introduce yourself in Persian? How do you introduce yourself in Persian? Can we say اسم من مرواریده? Or can we say من مروارید هستم? In today's video, we'll learn most common ways to introduce ourselves in Persian. Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Persian Land. This is Dr. Maede. I teach you Persian language. Today's lesson is about how to tell your names in Persian. I have another clip to ask somebody's name in Persian. Today's lesson is to answer that question. The name I chose is Morvarid. Morvarid is a girl's name in Persian. It means pearl. To support us at Persian Land, please share our channel with those learning Farsi and encourage them to subscribe too. اسم من مروارید است. اسم من مروارید است. It changes to اسم من مرواریده. اسم من مرواریده. من مروارید هستم. من مروارید هستم. The contracted form is من مرواریدم. من مرواریدم. من اسمم مرواریده. من اسمم مرواریده. Even we can reduce it and say اسمم مرواریده. اسمم مرواریده. It is very common in Persian to call last names in formal situations. So you can tell your last name when you are asked about your name. Look at these examples. Rezai is the last name in Persian. So I chose this one. من رضایی هستم. من رضایی هستم. من رضاییم. من رضاییم. من فامیلم رضاییه. من فامیلم رضاییه. فامیلم رضاییه. فامیلم رضاییه. If you have learned even one thing from this clip, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more.